today's project, Duraflaps just came in, mud flaps for the 2024 Ram 3500 dually, the tow rig that we have here at the house. I've dealt with Duraflap in the past on work trucks, a few other things, and they're the best. The weight, the finish, the quality, you're gonna see once we finish this install on this new truck. You can't beat them. And the little sticker on the side of the hips of the dually, the chip guard they call it, it's a sticker, that's all it is. It'll keep your stuff clean for a few thousand miles, and then once it starts getting through that thin layer, it just starts damaging the paint. So these trucks, for some reason, don't come stock with mud flaps, which I would say is pretty essential. You can see there's like a 1-inch little lip. It's kind of a mud deflectant, still goes all over the sides of the bed. Never mind anything you're towing, the toy hauler or any other trailers are getting covered in road grime, mud. It's a mess when it rains. So I don't see a reason why you wouldn't just get Duraflaps day one on the truck, which is what we did here. We're gonna do a quick install video. Super, super easy. If you can put seat covers on a truck, you can install mud flaps. It's a couple of bolts each side, maybe an hour or so. Yeah, let's get to it. All right, let's get a quick little unboxing going here. So fronts come pre-packaged. There's a little protector on the chrome. So yep, there's the fronts. Backs. Packaging's actually way better than it used to be. Yeah, they're all protected. Chrome's not getting scratched. Very heavy. You need them heavy. You don't want them flapping around in the wind. Got a bag of hardware here for the rears. Put that to the side. They are fully customizable as well. I went with the Duraflap branding. They had sent me these. So least I could do was, rep the brand on the back. All right, so when it is installed, it will sit up like so. All right, so pretty much the only tool you need for this install is 8mm. Take all these off. All right, so pretty much all you need is an 8mm. Pull all these bolts off. And if you want to remove this entire splash guard, it goes all the way down the trim of the fender. So let's leave that. It is an option. They say it can look a little different. There's a flush mount here without this splash guard, but we're gonna leave it on. It says there could be a little bit of spacing, but I'm not worried about it. They do come with a little bag of nuts, bolts, washers, all the extras you can replace the factory stuff with. Just a little bit of cleaner real quick. Give these one more quick cleaning underneath where the flaps are gonna go. This is just some quick detailer I'm using. Did wash the truck this morning. In case anyone's wondering, there's just some road grime on the paint due to the fact that I don't have mud flaps. All right, so we've got the 3 stock bolts in, and we are going to put number 4, this little curved one, in the back of the plastic fender with the provided nut, bolt, and washer. Grab the 11mm, and let's just get it snug. Just snug enough, and then we will hop out and we'll make sure everything looks level to the eye. And it does not. So since nothing is bolted down completely yet. Level them up, just like that. That is all tightened up, level, perfect, and we're gonna move on to passenger side. All right, same thing over here. 8 mil is all you need to take the factory parts out, and the 11 mil is what you will use on that one rear bolt. As the other side, we got the one bolt, nut, and metal plate that's going to go on the inside by the exhaust, and then 3 bolts that are going in the factory position. One, two, three are just snug enough where you can still move the mud flap left and right. We'll get that far end one in. We'll check if everything's level. It should be pretty good. We're really just looking at this line of the mud flap. And when you look to the side, you can see the tire. Both of them look like they line up pretty well. So we'll tighten these 4 bolts down and move on to the front. So the fronts are going to be a little bit easier. They're smaller. They're not as wide. So the rears, 2 people, fronts, you can do it with 1 person. It's exactly the same, just a different shape. There's 3 factory bolts that we're going to take off and reuse. We'll actually change them out with some nicer new hardware. And then you got 2 more of these, just like in the back, that'll go way underneath for this bolt. Another quick mention is these stickers that are on the chrome, keep those on until the install is complete. Then you don't get fingerprints on the chrome, you don't get any scratches or anything until everything's done. All the same factory spots here. Those 3 are snug. Now just ones that's a little bit trickier is that 4th hole out there. Just like the rears. Come on back to both of the front ones. Just slowly peel this off. If you go too fast, it leaves adhesive on there, so. Yeah, the install was super easy. This is them complete. And the rears. Show you the fronts real quick. Super easy install. 3 factory bolts and 1 extra on the interior of the wheel well. Plenty of protection. Protect trailers, protect paint. No reason not to get yourself a pair of these. And yeah, go check them out.